Sawadee krap. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jason, the head of Digital Power Business Huawei Thailand. Today, I'd like to share you the business strategy of our digital power business. Our mission is to lead the power digitalization to build a smart and sustainable world. Huawei is a globalized, steady growth international company. We focus on the innovation, create value for customer, then support customers' business success. So we share the success with customer. These years, we keep the year-of-year growth more than almost every year is around 20%. This year, last year, the revenue, we reached 123 billion US dollar. And even though we are under a very complex and high pressure external environment, the first half year, we still kept the increased 13% than last year. The major revenue contributor still career business and consumer business. While the new engine of growth, enterprise business and the cloud AI business group. For enterprise business group, we are providing the ICT technology to the clients. The global top 500, top Fortune 500, more than half of the top 500 choose Huawei as a major partner for digitalization. And for cloud and AI, we are the newcomer, but public cloud provider that in Thailand have our data center. So which means you choose Huawei public cloud service, the data will be in Thailand. Why we set up a new name, Digital Power? As you may know, Huawei is a global leading ICT technology companies. Hundreds of millions of consumers enjoy our smart devices every day, and more than one in third of the global population rely on Huawei's telecommunication network support all the time. And we are providing ICT technology to the government, to the transportation, to the different, to the banking, to the education, to the different industries in more than 170 countries. Our product and service mainly comes from three parts. They are smart device, connectivity, cloud and AI. Cloud and AI is major computing. They are all related with digitalization. So, as you may know, now the digital transformation and the new infrastructure is a main hot topic to support the new digital economic growing. While the digital technology become more demand, it create a huge data processing. The huge data processing increase the power consumption. Regarding to the third-party report, the occupied more than 4% of the world's power consumption, such as size power, such as data center, big data center and edge data center. So how to reduce the power consumption of caused by digital technology, digital economic? This is a big topic and a big demand of the future market. Huawei Digital Power aims to build a strong foundation for the new economic, for the digital economic. We are trying to build the base of the coming future digital world. Our energy innovation mainly focuses on energy processing, energy storage, and how to use the energy with a high efficiency way, high efficient way. Our product, digital power product have two types of product and solution. The first type is green power generation. It's solar. We developed the fusion solar technology. We supplied inverter. Until now, this business is globally ranked #1 for the inverter shipment. And for how to use the energy with an efficient way, we have the business telecom size power facility. And now we expanding the telecom size power to the social size power. We supply the rectifier and the lithium battery and the intelligent management system to make the size power to be smart. And for the data center facility, we provide the power system, we provide UPS, we provide smart lead technology to reduce the power consumption of the data center, improve the efficiency. For the EV, we provide the car power system, the BMS, battery management system, and the fast charging system. For the modular power, we are providing the UPS module and the AC/DC module to different industries. So what is the difference? What is the difference between Huawei digital power with traditional electronic suppliers? The difference mainly is because of the research and development. We have 3 key technologies. They are power electronic technologies, communication technologies, and AI technologies. We invest more than 10% of the year revenue. We always keep that percentage revenue invest for the R&D. So it's a huge money. We focus on components, topology, or control algorithm for the electronics equipment. We focus on 5G, we focus on power line communication, M-bus communication, IoT for the connectivity. We built the data center for the computing power ability. We engaged the AI to the traditional electronic equipment. First of all, the electronic technologies, we are advanced, we are leading the industry. For example, our UPS efficiency now already reached more than 97.5%. This is leading the industry. For inverter efficiency, maximum 99%. And for the electronic equipment, one most important parameter is the density of power. For the 5G power cabinet, for the size power cabinet, we make the volume to be smaller and smaller. It used to be 7U, now it's becoming 3U only. And the UPS, 1 megawatt per cabinet. This is the highest density in the industry. And for the reliability, we using different kind of communication solution for the different scenario. For the short distance, such as from the battery to the electronic equipment, we use the ZigBee. From the inverter to the transformer, we use the PLC. Now it's M-bus technology. AC cable carry signal. No need RS485 anymore. Reduce faults, reduce failure, reduce the O and M cost a lot. And for the size power, we are using IoT technology for communication. When we build a network, core network, size power always thousands of, several hundreds of thousands of size power. Collect the data. Transmission is very important. Transmission, a better transmission technology can help us to easily get the data and manage the data, manage the equipment. The last one, AI technologies. This is also Huawei's advantage. What is the AI? AI, artificial intelligence. First of all, we need to build the huge database. We need to collect a lot of data. Then we need to build a computing power. When we have a data center, we have the computing power. Then to analyze the data, computing the data. Finally, we achieve the function through the advanced algorithm for different solution and product. For example, in the solar fields, we developed the smart IV curve diagnosis to solve the issue of maintenance, PV health. For the traditional way of IV curve dedication, it need you buy service from third party. Then experts take the equipment, go to the site, get data by 1 month for 100 megawatt, then analyze data manually another 1 month. But now with the smart IV technology, with AI technology, all this job can be done 15 minutes, within 15 minutes. Yeah. This solves a lot of big problem about maintenance. And for the data center, we use cooling technology to reduce the data center's PUE by 8% to 15%. Cooling system is cooling technology is a kind of technology that reduce how to say, the heating power consumption. And for the telecom sites, we also use big data and AI to manage thousands of telecom sites, to make the traditional telecom sites to be intelligent sites. When after it become intelligent sites, we expanding those to the other industries. The first is the solar business. About solar business, we start the R&D since 10 years ago, but actually we have more than 20 years accumulated technology experience. I mean electronics, I mean communication, I mean AI technology. So start from 8 years before, we start to promote in the market. And start to promote string inverter to replace central inverter with a high efficiency, increase yields 3%, with a lower O&M cost, reduce O&M cost almost half. And since these years, we achieved a very good performance. You can see the whole industry, before 2014, the utility scale solar farm, they built with string inverter only 24%. But right now, string inverter have been more than 60% be used in the utility solar farm, which means now already the main choice of customer. We believe for the future, the string inverter will take over central. Because right now, more and more inverter manufacturers, they follow us. They switch the central inverter technology update to string. They continuously invest for string inverter. But central seems like no more technology update for a long time. String inverter, every year have new type come out. Now, how could we success? Because all of the technology, we create value for customer. We reduce the LCE. In China, the LCE already down to 2.6 cents per kilowatt hour. For the C and I scenario, it's 4.35 US cents per kilowatt hour. But for the utility scale in the Middle East, which is more lower, now the latest price is around 1 US cents. But in the Middle East, since 3 years before, the first phase of Saudi Arabian Sakaka project, 300 megawatt, they use string inverter. After that, every PPA bidding, the vendors always choose string inverter and different, better technology to reduce their LCE, to be more competitive. For the data center energy, our idea is enable more computing power on each watt. So we provide the modular UPS with smart lithium battery. We use the iCooling system to reduce the PUE by 8 to 15%. We use the iPower system to reduce the maintenance cost. Data center also, we achieved the #1 marketing share in the world. But in Thailand, we are engaged to trying to improve the marketing share right now. For the site power facility, we are label more bits on each watt. The traditional telecom sites almost because the telecom sites are always in the remote area, so maintenance cost is a big headache issue. With intelligent technology, we can easily manage all the site power from remotely, make it to be smart. Now we expanding this business, this site power solution to the social sites. And when social sites, we provide to the consumer, to the charging pie, to the livelihood, to the different kind of industry. For the M-Power EV, we provide the car power system. We provide the battery management system. We provide the fast charging system. We are trying to make the charging technology to support fast charging. Previously, 1 hour for DC charge. Right now, already can achieve 15 minutes, finish the charging. And for the vehicle car power system, now we are cooperated with some top vehicle manufacturers in China, such as Volkswagen, to provide a customized car power system for them. We think in Thailand, the EV business will come in soon, because we heard that all the industry, especially many of our renewable energy investors, developers, are trying to push the policy, trying to push the government to incent this industry. So it will become soon. For the modular power, we provide AC/DC, DC-DC, we provide a rectifier, CT, IT power module to different industries. With Huawei's advanced electronic technology and the AI technology, those equipment can significantly reduce reduce the power consumption. As we said, we are strong at the electronic technology, communication technology, and AI technology. But we always focus on our advantage. We will not do everything. We just focus on the core technology. We will not do integration. We will not do developer. We will not invest any project. So because we believe all of the industries, if you want to drive and lead the industry, you need a lot of partners, a lot of customers to support you. So to be open and to build open and a good ecosystem, partner ecosystem is quite important to drive and lead the industry. For the software platform, we developed many software such as the fusion solar, such as the iCooling, iPower system. All those ones are open source. It can be evaluable. It can be evaluable. Second designing by our partner. And for the hardware platform, we insist the strategy of Huawei inside. Like the charging pie, we don't do charging pie, we do the DC charging module. Like the solar PV plant, we only focus on inverter and the intelligent equipment. So finally, we need more partner and customer together with us to push forward those industries, move forward, and to be digitalized. So finally, our vision and mission, together with our partner and the customers, to lead the power digitalization to make a smart and a sustainable world. Thank you.